Oh, nice. Switch cars. Get out of that one because it's about to blow. Oh wow, this is not a very fast car. Alright, I can see the escape thingy. Oh, come on, they spawned him right there. Whatever. Wow, I can't even get outside the circle. Or can I? Going for it. Oh no, there's one by me. Yes, and we're free. Oh. How far away am I to the story mission? Oh, dude. Jeez. Oh, wait a minute, dude. I have a lot of heat on me. I'm actually gonna back out to the safe house again. Oh, I forgot to sleep. That's what it was. Since I went there. I didn't sleep. So I'm gonna do that to get the heat off, and then I'll go back to the story missions. Okay. Alright, let's try that again. These fast cars in the parking lot. Let's try this forward focus looking. Got some customization going on. I realized something. At nighttime, it's probably a better idea to do this, where the story mission is, just because if it is an infiltration type situation, I can use all the stealth and like blackout and, or not stealth and blackout, but like specifically the blackout ability to like just make things go dark and it be effective. Though I think it works on stoplights too, so that's been working. Oh, I would have taken that car, but there's a police car on me right there. Not happening. That was accidental. Completely accidental. Yeah, whatever. Can't always down the road.
Director of Public Relations for CTOS, Charlotte Gardner. Welcome, Charlotte.
I'm always thrilled to talk about CTOS.
Great, let's get into it. Why don't you explain what CTOS is? I mean, I think I get it, but it's kind of magical.
Oh, dude.
The future is now, Dan.
Whatever.
CTOS is groundbreaking technology. We're promoting efficiency, comfort, and safety.
A smart city.
Yeah, I'll take this.
Exactly.
Charlotte, what makes CTOS smart?
A city is a complex web of
CTOS
infrastructure
smart.
maintenance and upkeep. Water, power, security, sewage, and transit flow. The antiquated system had these operating on their own, with disconnect from the rest of the city's services. CTOS brings these systems online, interconnecting them. Command centers monitor all of the services together. Thanks to CTOS, maintenance is easier and costs are lower.
This makes the city efficient, as you say, but what about other issues? Safety, privacy. Let's talk about privacy for a moment.
Well, of course all privacy is respected. For instance, Citizens can opt into our integrated health services, where their medical records are available only to them and their healthcare provider.
So only my doctor can see it, right?
And only with your permission. All perfectly private.
We have to take another short break.
Okay, what was that? It said cash from Shaw nearby, but whatever. Wow, this is an extremely unwieldy vehicle. I should have not got. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. I was about to go off and do that convoy mission. Supposed to be doing this story mission. I should see something, because if there's 3 acts, on paper that doesn't seem like that's that bad, or that long. Progression, maybe? Main missions. Okay, here we go. Act 1. Okay. There's 9, 24, 30, 38, 39 missions total, 5 acts. The last act is 1 mission. So I'm almost 1/4 of the way through. Once I get to 10th mission.
Do you know who keeps leaving the flowers?
No. But that girl has a lot of friends.
Had. This is about letting go.
I know.
We've all suffered a horrible nightmare, but you have to stop trying to fix it.
I'm not trying to fix anything.
Aiden, I know what you're doing. I know you're chasing after the people that did this. When you do that, you put us all in danger again.
You are not in danger. Because I protect you.
Do you hear yourself? Aiden, why can't you stop?
Because... I need to know.
You are my brother, and I love you. But Jackson is my world, and I will keep you away in a second before I let him get hurt. Promise me you will stop. You can't save Lena.
I killed her.
No, you didn't. I don't blame you. But promise me you will stop. We need this as a family.
I promise. Maybe she's right. Lena's dead. I can't change that. How do I just walk away?
So yeah... Main story feeling kind of weak here.
Problem. Survivor from the stadium. If that guy talks, he'll ID you.
Survivor? How did that happen?
I'm guessing he didn't die. Now, relax. I got a plan. Meet me at Gorman Heights on the rooftop.
Aiden, let go. It's not your fault. I'm getting revenge. No matter what, I'll protect you. No thanks. Actually, I wonder if I activate. Oh, that's right. If I activate it, I have to do it. So I'm actually just going to go to this. Wait, no. Story mission is yeah. I guess once you get it, it stays on the map, so that's cool. So I'll just disregard all the side stuff.
Is it a drug? Is it hypnosis? What is this craze? Whatever it is, it's sweeping the nation. Let's go to the streets.
The drug is so far considered perfectly legal and safe. It alters perceptions of the world and can affect mood and intelligence. Have you tried it? Yeah, sure. It's a blast. And what are some of the things that can happen? Everyone...
No. I don't want to do that. Cancel.
A giant spider. It makes me...
That was close. That was interesting, but it was like effing close, and I was like, dude, I don't want to get in there. I'm playing campaign mode right now. I don't want to be sucked into some online crap. PvP. Get the F out of here.
Of course, it's totally safe.
It helped me stop smoking. There's no scientific evidence that it's harmful, but it's too early to tell what the side effects of this new pseudo-drug craze might be. No?
After I clear the first act, I'm going to try to take out some of the CTOS sinners. If you can see them on the map anyway, like that and the gang hideouts. Maybe some other stuff.
Totally cool. Sounds like a
You know it. Whoa. Whoa. Oversteer. If there's a car on the street, it'll stay there. Did it drive it on the sidewalk?
Where is he? Jordy can be a pain to work with. He's the devil I know. If things were different, I might be hunting him down. Or vice versa. But if he says we got a problem, I need to take it as a massive understatement. Can't let the survivor ID me. Everything's gonna spiral out of control.
Did you really say climb up to meet him? I mean, come on, that's... Can't go inside? Oh, of course I can't go inside. That'd be too convenient. There's a lift somewhere, I'm guessing. Ugh. Like what is this? Like, it just goes, it tells me to go to a mission point, and then it tells me, oh, never mind. I'm like, how do I climb up there? And I'm like, oh, that's right, I can press circle to climb stuff. Duh. Just saying. Unneeded. Oh, I guess I wanted to set up, never mind. Like, jump into this cutscene.
Hi. Oh, fuck. Jordy. Who are they?
Well, they live here.
What happened?
Well, security in these buildings is pretty tight. So people like this feel nice and secure living way up here. I mean, these people just had a simple chain lock on their door. I guess they want to have a good look at the pizza guy before they open it all the way.
All right, fine, sure. So about this problem.
Well, that's why I brought the bolt cutters. He opens the door this much, there's a chain right there, I slip him in and snip, and guess what? It's not the pizza guy.
Jordy, the problem, let's deal with it.
We are dealing with it. We're in the midst of solutions here, Pierce. You don't appreciate what I do for you. You don't realize how much I take care of you, do you?
Really?
Yeah.
Well, do me a favor, let's get on with it. How much time do we have?
Not as much as we need. Oh, you remember the stiff from the stadium? He's not so stiff anymore. The cops got him in Chicago lockup, and oh, he's about to walk into an interrogation and point a finger right at you.
How did that happen?
Kick me when I'm down. Look at the view. See there? Call went out this morning. Somebody's paying buku bucks to grab this clown and make him talk. And one of those guys is running the assignment.
Well, it seems like me and him need to have a little chat.
Yeah, but this time, don't do that empty gun thing. Poor Maurice pissed himself after your last show.
Don't worry about my methods. You know how to use that thing?
Just get your ass down there, I got you covered. And don't kill the boss this time. You kinda need him.
You think?
Let's make this quick, okay? My balcony hosts are moaning, and that stuff gives me migraines. I get a migraine, Pierce. I am useless to you.
You think you're the only one who wants this quick?
How should I know what you want?
Not big on empathy, are you?
Not particularly.
What's up with this fixer contract? What are they looking for?
You. Somebody wants the vigilante, big time. They're about to fake a prisoner transfer to bust out the one witness who can ID you. I've never seen them gather up this kind of manpower, though.
You know, I'll try and stop them. Listen, the witness knows my face. If the fixers reach him, if my name gets out there, they'll come after my family.
Ah, the F word. You're too sentimental, Pierce. That's a weakness. Somebody's gonna play that against you someday. I'll cover you where I can, but I can't see everybody. All right, let's do this.
Wow, nice. If he actually like lure these guys out and he's gonna snipe them, that's pretty cool. Blackout, nice. I don't know, whatever. Is the bar refill, like, what is that? That was weird.
Whoa, that thing's not supposed to be on. Hey, I thought I heard something. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What the fuck was that? Look out!
There are a lot of bad guys here. Rain, I think.
Be careful. Oh, shit. I know that guy.
Which one?
I always forget his name. The guy with the ears. Dooley Dawson?
Is he a friend?
I don't really have friends. Duncan might be a B name.
You have no idea who he is.
Oh, no, guess not. I'm taking him out.
All right, keep it together.
Douglas!
What?
That was his name, Douglas. Oh, shit. Too late.
I'm betting the boss is inside that office.
He's all yours.
Hold on. Stop.
Who's assigned to the prison job?
What? Man, I don't know what you're talking about.
Lance Brenner. As a family.
What are you doing?
I'm asking how your family is. Looks like you got two lives going at once. Family man. Yeah, the kids are gonna be in college soon. It's pricey for a union rep.
Fuck you.
Yeah, and there's also the second life. Ghost accounts with a lot of money in them. Hey. Do you know that your name is tied to a whole bunch of cold cases? I bet the cops would love a chat.
Okay, hold on. You want a piece of the cash? I can cut you in.
You're wasting my time.
All right. Fuck. Prison job. It's Angelo Tucci. He's running a convoy. It's too late. You'll never find him.
Who says I want him? Bet he's got a family in town.
Why do you want his family? What the fuck is wrong with you?
I wouldn't know where to begin.
Oh, dude.
Wake up, Pierce. More fixtures incoming.
How bad?
Remember Kinderhook?
No!
Come on!
That's not cool. F it. I'm running.
Finish up here.
Dude, really? My car got so much error. ... Oh crap, they're right behind me. No, snipers on the helicopter? Not cool. Oh, I know what to do. I have to get somewhere where I can get underground, and then the helicopter can't see me. And then just hide from it. Dude, this is extremely unfair. I saw something. They probably can see me. Well, I don't know if they can see me, but they're not going to go away because I have to get outside the circle. It's just a stupid helicopter. I can't do anything to get it off of me. Oh, never mind. I got it. Nice. That was a bit stressful.
Hey, you never called me back. Did you find the guy we traced?
Yeah, some bad history there. Listen, I need to find someone else. This time I have a name, Helena Tucci. She's related to a guy I'm after.
Does she live in Chicago?
Yeah, I need a location right now.
Got her. Wow, she's got a serious digital footprint. Okay, this morning she posted about a meeting today outside the Willis Tower.
All right, I'll call you when I'm there. I may need more help.
I thought about something if I had that. Wait, do I have the helicopter takedown? Or is it somewhere? I saw it somewhere. Yeah, I need this crap. That's all working crap, yeah. Let's leave that stuff. That stuff spent. Whatever. I mean, that's probably useful, but oh, there we go. Disable helicopter. Ah. That would have been very helpful in the last encounter. I'll just save it, because I didn't need it. I'd rather have the disable the reinforcements. Okay, it's right at where I need to be, so I can go ahead and try to get it. And not get noticed. But probably get noticed, because that's usually what happens. Speaking of getting noticed. Low profile, just low profile. All the time. All the effing time.
What are you looking at?
Whatever, man.
Okay, I'm at the Willis Tower. What do you got on Helena?
Looking through status updates. She likes selfies. Here she is making a duck face, a sparrow face. She loves her cats too. Why are you targeting this clueless girl?
I'm not. I need to find her uncle fast, and Helena's gonna point the way.
Again, come on, yeah.
Okay, here's something. She posted a pic this morning. Her outfit for the day. Dark hair and glasses. And she's showing off a green backpack.
Thank you, social media. That's a start.
I'll keep digging.
This is kind of creepy. Just looking for someone based on social network stuff. So it's
Oh, poor girl.
What's that?
I've got her medical records. She had an abortion last year. That might explain the therapist she's seeing.
Why are we prying this deep? I don't need a history, Clara. I need a location.
Hey, I start the search and information just comes in. I don't control the content. Hold on. Perfect. She just posted a status update. She's inside Connolly Square. It's a glass structure. Should be right near you.
I got it. Nice work, Clara. Now delete those files.
I'm dead sick, Aiden. We believe information should be free.
Clara.
Relax. We don't pick on innocent girls.
Here's the Asia Tower. That's funny. I guess.
Okay, Helena. You're up.
Keep your distance, okay?
Hello?
Miss Tucci? I'm Dr. Hyatt with the Chicago General Hospital. We received your Uncle Angelo's blood work, but you're the only number he gave us. Do you know where we can reach him? It's urgent.
No, sorry. I haven't heard from my uncle in years.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Wait for it.
Yeah.
Hey, Uncle Angie.
Elena, you need concert tickets again?
No, listen. I got a weird call. I think the cops are looking for you.
What? Damn it, you calling me just gave them a trace. Hang up now.
Gotcha. Where are you, Angelo Tucci? There you are. Angelo Tucci. This guy's leading the prison transfer for my witness. Somebody's paying Tucci for the vigilante's identity. Somebody wants my name. Well, good luck with that.
Yeah, that's not...
I'm getting a little nervous here, Pierce. You find him?
I'm tracking his GPS. Cut him off before he reaches the prison.
Nice.
I'm in, my car's all jacked. Oh well, we got this. Actually, no! Whatever. I was gonna take that one. Yeah, I'm trying to get back on this waypoint here. I think that's not what I wanted to do. It's kind of weird, like the story mission is basically just a variant of one of the side missions. So, yeah, whatever. Okay, there we go. I wish I would have had more upgrades on the car, probably, for the driving. Get in the car! Oh my gosh! Aiden! Aiden! Ah! It's like we haven't had it. We haven't had it. It's like, oh, and then we can't get back in the car. And we don't get it.
Angelo Tucci.
Whatever.
Prison transfer for my witness. Somebody's paying Tucci for the vigilante's identity. Somebody wants my name. Well, good luck with that.
I'm getting a little nervous here, Pierce. You find him?
I'm tracking his GPS. Cut him off before he reaches the prison.
Nice.
Yeah, like this right here, this looks really good. Like, just right into the sunrise. That looks really good. I don't know, man. I don't know why people, like, just hate on this game so much. Not super terrible. I'm gonna get out of the car, unload on him again. This time I'm not gonna, like, I'm just waiting for him like, to make a stop, though, just like I did last time. Just pull up alongside him. In my mind, I'm just like, how am I gonna kill this guy? Yeah, it's like, we're not gonna suspect a vehicle going the wrong way on the highway at all. Alright. I'm just gonna tell him, wait for him to stop. Damn spot. Double tap, it's over. Man, see, if this is GTA, I could just, like, do drive-by right now. And that'd be it. That'd be it. It'd be alright. But no, this isn't GTA. So it's like, whatever. Okay, here we go.
Pierce? You got a sec?
Let's hear it.
Okay, so it sounds like you've made a few enemies. Well, maybe more than a few. Expect some bad shit headed your way.
Great.
Whoa, those look like... Are those armored trucks? I don't know, I'm just expecting the worst, I guess. Alright, I think we need to stay on this highway section, so I can maybe outrun them. Alright, cool, I'll make it, nice. And you have to confirm them. Fast car, yes. Haha.
It's done. No more prison transfer. Now, I need to find a way inside that prison. Go face to face with my witness.
A little bit of slow down there.
You still have contacts in the prison?
I already asked if they could make our guy slip in the shower. They're dirty, but they're not that dirty.
I'm gonna get arrested.
Of course you are. Why the hell are you doing that?
This witness we're after, he's a nobody. He was in the wrong place at the wrong time. He wasn't looking for me. I don't want to kill him. I just want him to understand I can reach him anywhere, anytime.
That is a terrible plan. I love it. I'll find a map of the joint. Talk you through it once you're inside. Anything you need?
My phone?
Jesus, you have a problem. You need to unplug.
Jordi, I need my phone. They'll confiscate it the second I'm in.
Yeah, I know. I'm fucking with you. I got just a guy. He's begging to settle his debt. Just get your phone.
Ugh. Now I'm kind of wondering if, like, because I'm playing it with, like, the screen kind of smushed, but it looks better than it would full screen, but whatever. There's button history one. Oh wait, here, oh, too late. I was gonna see if I could, like, leave or get gifts. Too late.
Palin Correctional Center. They recently upgraded the place with Bloom's state-of-the-art security. Network locks, automated surveillance. If they were holding the guy in an older prison, I'd have a problem. But Bloom's right on this one. They do make life easier through technology.
Freeze! Stop the gun! Get on the floor, now! Hand behind your head! Do it!
Go.
Tell Jordi we're even now. Don't move. Pierce. Aiden.